Happy New Year. I know you all a happy Christmas and a fantastic and safe New Year coming 2019. And where are the years going? Jesus. Oh, flipping it. They're flying, aren't they? But done a bit over Christmas. Mid-December, so it kegged on the 27th. So it's what, 5-6 days, something like that. Great looking beer. It's a mild. I want something unobtrusive. I want something almost bland. Low ABV. It's 3.2%. It's malty. It's dark. It's chocolatey. It's not too bitter. So it's 3.2%. Knocked a few back on these on the weekend, but in the week, come over one of these, 2 no problem. And low calories for January, so it's cheers. I was going to do dry January, but changed my mind. But what's that? But that's not what this video is about. Let's unbox this, and it's something I've been after for a while, and I think some of you guys have seen them. Got some money at Christmas from work, and it's a lot of money for what it is. It's not essential, but it's see what one of the boys' toys, would you say? Come on, you want to know what it is, don't you? Look at this baby. It's something that I've wanted for a while. Look at that baby. 6-inch hot bazooka for my boil kettle. Been swapping between the mash tun and the kettle, so that's that. But no, it's not really what it's about, but welcome addition. Now this one, you don't need it. It's like loads of things in brewing, you don't need them. You see things that you might have a shiny fermenter, you see the kegs, and it's like a drug into this game. And it is a game at times, you know, balancing what you should spend, what you could spend, and what you need to spend. And you don't really need to spend as much as you think, but let's have a look. Can you guess what it is, yeah? The old tilt hydrometer. I'm really chuffed about this one. It was £147 or something like that. Instructions. This is not a video how to use it, that's going to come in the future. I've got a wine that's almost ready, so the blue one was out of stock, black one was out of stock, the blue one, look at that baby. So yeah, something I'm really looking forward to. Really interesting to see as well, in the comparisons with got the Inkbird set up on the fermentation fridge, you know, put on a pad on the side of the fermenter with the temperature obviously, and this, so let's show you the temperature inside, so we'll see the difference in that. And also I'm not a big one for messing about with taking samples in beers and, you know, how's it going. You want to see the airlock bubbling obviously, but I'm one to like leave and let it do its stuff. I'm not one for going poking about after 3 days and seeing how it's gone and this, that and the other. So this is going to be a welcome addition. I'll rig it up to an old phone or maybe my laptop, something like that. So this is going to be a boon for the channel, so I'm going to do a major video on that in the coming weeks, so keep tuned for that. Just great bit of kit, and it's like I say, it's £150. You don't need it, but it's just so much fun. I know some of the guys have got 2 and 3 of them. I've heard a couple of comments on certain videos. Was it Eclipse Brewing? I think it was Eclipse Brewing. He said on heavy hopped beers or high Crozen beers, I presume like something like a wheat beer, it can affect the readings. So I'm going to try it in the wine first. So a sessionable beer, just not too heavily hopped, and I've been told if you're going to put hops in, you put them in the bag and they won't affect the reading too much. But that's something I'm really looking forward to trying. So as I said, once again, we had a fantastic Christmas and a healthy New Year. Always remember, health above everything, you know. we could all do things differently, you know, and I don't think really beard is probably the best thing to going on the health kick. Something like that. I do try to cut down in January. I was going to do dry in January, but no, I'll cut back. With that 3.2%, it's just perfect. It's a big shout out to a guy, American guy. You may have seen him before. It was Hillbilly Wine Reviews. I think it's Hillbilly Select Reviews. He has another one, Real Police Talk. Fantastic channel. Go and check him out. I will try and put a link in if I can. I'm not sure I'm able to with the limitations on the old laptop I've got. Troubles with it, but go and check him out. And one of the funniest videos I've seen for a long time was police officer attacked by hot mustard. So just check Real Police Talk and watch that video, and I watched it first thing in the morning, and I must have looked a bit deranged because all the way to work I was laughing my head off. It's just such a funny tale, and it's in your working life. I always think, you go every day. We go to work every day, don't we? Or most days, in the week, your working day, obviously. And the mundane days, the days that everything goes right, you don't remember them, do you? There's only two lots of days you remember. One, the really, really good days, and the really, really bad days. Everything else in between, you don't remember. So go and check him out. So I said, once again, guys, well, fantastic. 2019, this channel is going from strength to strength this year. This is going to be my year, this, and you better watch out, you guys. I'm coming after them subs. Cheers, fellas. Catch you later.